Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone supports mobile VR and has a working gyroscope. This matters because head tracking depends on it. Once done, charge the phone above 50% and enable Do Not Disturb so notifications won't interrupt immersion. Make sure to close heavy background apps to free memory. Then insert the phone into the headset, align the screen with the lenses, and secure straps so the display sits centered. This first sequence prevents drift and ensures a stable image before you launch the VR app. Now focus on calibration and configuration because precise settings make VR usable and comfortable. Start the app setup routine. Set IPT, lens spacing, and headset height to match your eyes. This reduces blur and nausea. Next, lower render scale or enable 60 FPS mode if tracking stutters. Balance resolution versus performance. Pair your Bluetooth controller and test input mapping and haptics so actions respond naturally. Once configured, test a short scene to confirm smooth head tracking. Finish by running a 5 to 10 minute playtest to confirm comfort, stable tracking, and acceptable performance. This verifies all earlier steps. If you notice drift or jitter, recalibrate sensors, toggle low latency or high performance mode, and if needed, reboot the phone. These actions often clear sensor errors. Make sure straps are snug but not tight, and adjust interpupillary distance if you see double images. When done, power down the app, remove the phone, and store the headset properly to preserve optics and avoid future alignment issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.